Hey gang, it's Matt the old Florida boy. You know, after the video that I did on the bug out myth, I showed you my water filter kit. And I got a lot of emails and messages after that video asking me to show you what was in my water kit. So this is just gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna show you what I carry and how I use it and why it's so important that everybody have a water kit. So let's go down and check it out right now. Okay, of course my water kit is going to be made with an Alice pouch, and this is nothing but an Alice Small Arms magazine pouch that I have removed the grenade holders from the side because you don't really need the grenade holders. Plus it makes them fit really nice and snug up against other pouches on your belt. Doesn't take up as much real estate. So this is nothing but an Alice pouch. You open it up, it's got some paper towels and a piece of t-shirt. We'll talk about that in a minute. It's got a little half a plastic bottle. It's got the Sawyer clean out syringe. It's got the Sawyer bag with the straw. And it's got the Sawyer Mini itself. And I got about 4 potable agua tablets. And that's all there is in this little pouch. So here's the main crux of my water kit. Of course, the main thing is the Sawyer Mini. Okay, you need to have the squeeze bag. I put a 32-ounce bag in there, and I got it rigged up with some carabiners so that I can rig up a gravity feed to it. The half of a piece of a water bottle is so that you can fold this out. Okay, because what happens if you can't find a stream or a pond or a river or something that you can dip this bag into? You can literally scoop water out of a puddle and pour it in this bag. Why I carry the t-shirt is, what happens if you get into some really dirty water, or something with moss or sticks or junk or seaweed? You can slap the t-shirt in single or double thickness over the bag and literally scoop water and strain it as it goes into this bag. So that's why that's here. That's why the t-shirt's here. Always carry a couple more paper towels. You got your main Sawyer bag. You got the Sawyer Mini, which, by the way, fits perfectly onto the Smart Water bottle if you want to use it that way. But the way I use it is, I fill the bag up. I hook the Sawyer to it. Okay. We pull that off. We put the straw into it. Okay. We rig this up with the carabiners and a piece of paracord on a tree, and it drains into the clean water receptacle with a gravity feed. So there you go. Always carry a Smart Water bottle. If you got your Sawyer Mini and your 1 liter bag and a couple of potable agua tablets, if you get really bad water, you just put one of those in there, wait a few hours, and then run it through the filter. And then you got nice clean water in your Smart Water bottle. So let's go up and talk about what we learned today. Okay, what did we learn today? We learned that I'm a really cool guy who lives in a really hot part of the country. If you're out hiking or camping or someplace where you don't want to carry a lot of water because it's heavy, or you're in a survival situation where you have to have water, you got to have some way of filtering it. And a Sawyer Mini is a great way to filter the water. It's going to keep you alive and keep you rehydrated. Now, the Sawyer Mini isn't the only game in town. Some people like the Grails, some people like other types of water filters. The important thing is that you have to filter your water before you drink it, or it can cause you all kind of problems with Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and those are a couple of the nice ones, okay? But remember that it's only going to filter out those pathogens. It's not going to filter out like hard metals and oils and fertilizer and industrial type waste. So be careful where you get your water also. If you got that out of a swamp or something like that where there wasn't a lot of industrial runoff, it would be just fine. So let me know what you think of my water filter and show me your water filters. Once again, this is Matthew, Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.